Okay, we are going to take a look here at the skill of using a compass to draw those circles around different cities in order to locate the epicenter of an earthquake. In the first video you watched, they talked about needing to have 3 different locations that you would draw a circle around in order to properly triangulate the location of an epicenter. So we have 3 cities here, Rapid City in South Dakota. The epicenter is 900 miles away from Rapid City. McMinnville in Tennessee, the epicenter is 400 miles from McMinnville. In Tucson, Arizona, the epicenter is 1,200 miles from Tucson. So we're going to use that information to draw 3 circles in order to triangulate the epicenter of the earthquake. So I'm going to start with Rapid City, and I've marked off here on my scale that 900 miles is right here, halfway between 800 and 1,000. So I'm going to take my compass and place this clear circular section over the 0 mark right here. Make sure you line it up nice and straight. And then I can move this slider here until this opening and the arrows line up with that 900. So remember, 900 was right here. So I'm going to line that up right there. So now my arrow marks off that 900, and I have this hole here where I can place my center, my pencil to draw the circle. So I'm going to move this clear circular section until it covers the dot for Rapid City, South Dakota. And I'm going to place my pencil in that first hole because that's the mark that we use for the 900. And then I'm going to gently and carefully drag my pencil in order to move the compass and draw that circle. You might have to lift up your arm and go underneath your arm, but there's our circle there. I'm not going to worry about the fact that it doesn't connect up here because that's off the map. So our epicenter must be somewhere down here on the map. Our next city is McMinnville, which is 400 miles from the epicenter. So 400 miles is right here. So I'm going to place my compass, the circular section on the 0, use my slider to scooch over to the 400. I'm using this first hole here. So I'm going to place my pencil in that first hole when I draw the circle. So I place the McMinnville, Tennessee is right here. So I'm going to put that circular section over McMinnville. Place my pencil in that first hole and draw my circle. There we go. And our last city is Tucson, which is 1,200 miles from the epicenter. 1,200 miles is right here. Place that compass back on the scale. Slide the slider over until we hit 1,200, which is right about there. And I'm going to, Tucson, Arizona is right here. Pull my compass down to Tucson. Place my pencil in that first hole and draw my circle around. So I have one location right here where all 3 circles, this circle, and my last circle for Tucson all come together. So here is my epicenter right here. I would place a dot or a big X on the epicenter, and that's how we use a compass to triangulate the epicenter of an earthquake.